What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to align and fix an offset door strike plate on your door. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these household and car projects. Okay, so what I'm talking about is the door lining up, the lock and the door handle lining up with these things. And you know, especially during winter, sometimes when the wood swells, it gets tighter. And on this door, you can tell it's bad because you have to press in on the door to get the not only the handle but the lock to latch. See, if you just go like this without pushing in it, it doesn't work. So that means that it needs to be, I need to fix this area right here. But the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to check to make sure that all of our hinges are all tightened down, because sometimes these will loosen up over time, not only here but on the door, and it'll cause the door not to be aligned right. So these are all tightened up, all the hinge pins are all down, so that's not the problem. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to start grinding these things a little more flush to get it. Okay, so I'm sure that the handle and the lock aren't going in far enough. If you're unsure of where the problem is, you can put some paint on the these parts right here and then go ahead and close it. And it'll leave a little mark where it's having the problem. I can see it's worn away right here. So what we're gonna do is you can either take a file, or what I've got here is I've got a little Dremel tool rigged up that I'm just going to go ahead and start grinding away a little by little right on this side right here, just to try and open it up a little bit so then I can see if it helps the door. So let's do that. Alright, so it's taking a bit of grinding, but when I shut the door I can almost get the lock without having to press it in at all. So I'm just going to grind it down a little more. This Dremel really helps. Alright, I got it so that I can lock it without having to hold it, but I don't want to grind it down too much because I don't want to compromise the strike plate completely. If you have to move it quite a bit, you may want to just pull out these screws and move it over a little, and then you'll have to grind the wood a little bit and plug up these holes. You could do that to either one. And I was gonna say, if the door needs to be lifted when you close it, you're gonna have to grind away a little at the bottom, or if it needs to be pushed down, you'd have to grind away a little at the top. But I'd call this job complete. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Check out my other videos, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe so you can see all my new upcoming videos, and hit the bell. Alright, thanks for watching Jonny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.